Let's see the new Object Finder, which is an upgrade to the Quick Selection tool, one of my favorite tools in Photoshop. This is the image that we will work with. It contains 4 kids. And from the toolbar, you can enable the Object Selection tool, which now contains the Object Finder. Click on this checkbox to enable it. The Object Finder will use Adobe Sensei, that is artificial intelligence, to analyze the image and find the main subjects. You can then hover over the image, and Photoshop will highlight the main subjects in blue. When you click on them, Photoshop will load them as a selection. Now you can click on Layer Mask to separate the object from layer. And that's it. Subscribe Ali Yausser Graphic for more Photoshop tips and tricks.